This Beeplove 50-foot heavy-duty garden hose uses a stainless steel outer shell that shrugs off sunlight, abrasion, and rough handling far better than typical rubber or polyvinyl chloride designs. The hose stays surprisingly flexible for a metal design, so it is easy to maneuver around garden beds, vehicles, and patios without constant kinking or wrestling. Its construction is built to handle very high water pressure while still delivering a steady, consistent flow that feels reliable for sprinklers, nozzles, and pressure attachments. The included short leader section with double female connectors makes it simple to hook up to hose reels or awkwardly placed outdoor faucets without hunting for extra adapters. Connections are designed to seal tightly with standard washers, and small adjustments like extra washers or thread tape quickly tame any minor drips at the faucet. Beyond basic watering, the sturdy build and smooth flow make this hose well suited for rinsing cars, spraying down patios, and cleaning pets without worrying about punctures or bursts.